When simplifying expressions, make sure that you follow the order of operations specifically for this. Remember that the acronym for order of operations is PEMDAS. So you need to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and then finally subtraction to be able to simplify expressions. So first one we have is -6 times 7 divided by -2. So parentheses, can't do anything because they're just numbers inside, so we move on to exponents. No exponents, so we move on to multiplication, which is -6 times 7, which is -42, divided by -2. No more multiplication, but we do got division, so -42 divided by -2 is going to give you a positive 21. So the expression simplifies to positive 21. Next we have 8 minus 2 cubed minus 5 plus 3 minus -6. So again, parentheses first. Right here, the -6, but it's just a number, so we just leave it. Exponents come next, so got the 2 cubed. So it's going to be 8 minus 8 times 5 plus 3 minus -6. No more exponents, so we go into multiplication. So we got the -8 times 5, so 8 minus 40 plus 3, and minus a -6 is also considered multiplication, so we can change that to plus 6. Now we can combine the addition and subtraction that's left over, and we can just do that from left to right. So 8 minus 40 is -32, and 3 plus 6 is 9. And then -32 plus 9 is -23. So the simplified expression is -23. Next, 6 times -4 minus 2 times 5 minus 8, all divided by -6 minus 3 minus 5. So parentheses, 5 minus 8 is going to give us 6 times -4 minus 2 times -3 all over -6 minus 3 minus 5. No exponents to speak of, so we move on to multiplication, and we got 6 and -4 multiplying, and then -2 and -3 multiplying. So when we combine those together, we're going to get -24 plus 6 over -6 minus 3 minus 5. Now we can add the top two numbers, -24 and positive 6, and that is going to give us a -18, and then -6 minus 3 minus 5 is going to give us a -14. And since these are both negative, our answer is going to be positive. And since they're both even, I can divide them both by 2. So I'm going to get a positive 9/7 as my expression simplified. Lastly, I have absolute value of 2 minus 9 minus the absolute value of 5 minus 7 divided by 10 minus 15. So again, parentheses first, which is what the absolute value bars are just like. So I can do these two first and then combine these two next. So I'm going to get absolute value of -7 minus absolute value of -2 over 10 minus 15. Absolute value of a number is always positive, so I'm now going to get a positive 7 and a positive 2 divided by 10 minus 15. And now I combine the top. 7 minus 2 is 5. 10 minus 15 is -5. And a positive divided by negative is going to give me a negative, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So -1 is this expression simplified.